Hello, everyone. I drew a 9 centimeter circle on the folded fabric and a 9 by 9 square. See, exactly 9 by 9. Now, I'm going to sew all the way around, leaving just a little part open here, and do the same thing with the circle, leaving a little part open. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can sew it by hand. Oh, where's the opening? Look, it's right here. It's really small here. Pull it. Let's turn it right side out here, look. You'll make this butterfly really quickly, okay? We turn it right side out, and then use the scissors like this. Look, make everything neat, and we're going to iron it to make it even more perfect. I did the same thing with the square. I ironed it. Look how pretty it looks. Then I ironed here too, look, so we can crease it and know exactly where the middle is. And I creased here, look, at that opening, see? So, look, I marked the middle here, I did it here on the square. And I did the same thing, look, I ironed it so we can know exactly where the middle is. Now we do it like this, look. Look at the distance, about 2 finger widths, see? Like this. Put it here. I'll stick it on perfectly, okay? Look, right at the crease, see? I'm going to put a little pin here. Now, I'm going to do this here, see? I threaded the needle with doubled thread. And I'm going to baste it. You'll see how beautiful and how quickly we can make a butterfly, right? Look how beautiful it is, everyone. Look here, see? Now, we wrap it a few times, pull, and wrap it a few more times here, see? Before we continue, let's check if it's right here, see? If needed, we go back, see? Fix it there, see? If needed, undo it and start over. It always has to stay in the middle, really straight, so both sides here and here, see? They have to be the same size, okay? Is it straight? So, wrap this thread around here a bunch of times. Look at this. Make a small stitch here to finish. Didn't I say it was super easy to do? It's just like magic. Suddenly, there's a butterfly ready. Look how beautiful it is, everyone. I'm going to sew on a hair elastic, and this butterfly will be a hair tie, a scrunchie. I don't know how you say it in your city, but you can. I'm making this here, right? But you can use it in a bunch of different ways. I think if you're using it as a napkin ring, it would look beautiful with a ring here, right? You can cover a CD and glue it. Glue this butterfly on and it becomes a dish towel holder. But what do you think this could be used for, huh? Tell me in the comments. What ideas did you have? Look. Easy, beautiful, and quick. You can use fabric scraps you have at home. Look how pretty it turned out. Which one did you like the most? The pink one or the yellow one? This one here even has a butterfly print. I'm in love with both of them. If you liked this video, like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.